Hopes are high for Dogecoin. Following the events that transpired between February up until the first week of April, you can't help but imagine just where the coin could go next. Critics have often clamored that Dogecoin's value doesn't have legs, and they've been anticipating when it will actually drop dead, but so far, it's been disappointing for them. Today on Crypto Fox, we'll be looking at 3 possible price destinations for Dogecoin as observed in price predictions. If you haven't already, consider hitting that subscribe button and turning on post notifications. We also have a completely free Discord group where we share daily signals with a community of like-minded traders and investors. You'll find a link for that in the video description. And now you can also support us on Patreon. We have several packages you can choose from according to your particular needs, and we have a special offer for our first 100 members, only $9.99 for our VIP Discord channels, where we share much more in-depth analysis and even one-on-one sessions. Be sure to check out the links in the video description and in the pinned comment. Dogecoin is indeed a peculiar crypto, and criticisms are not far off from high-profile personnel in the crypto space. It's as if they have a personal vendetta against Dogecoin. Every time there's a downtrend in crypto prices and criticism surfaces, it often affects investor sentiment and influences the market flow. No crypto is in direct competition in terms of value with another, but Bitcoin still appears to be dragging other cryptocurrencies with it in any direction that it goes. It's been discussed that a rise in the value of Bitcoin almost always leads to an increase in the price of altcoins. The altcoin community is looking towards a crypto that will act outside the accord of Bitcoin. That's what Dogecoin has done so far this year. Dogecoin acted as the rebel of the crypto community, as it tends to grow independently of Bitcoin, as we've seen this year. Predictions have set quite the lofty height for Dogecoin's price action, with eyes on the next few months. These have shown us that many factors are supporting the longevity and value base of Dogecoin. It's about time to expect that Dogecoin is here to stay. With eyes on the clock, analysts are anticipating a solid bullish run that will bring nothing but great joy for both traders and hodlers. It's even more interesting for those who have capitalized on the crypto's potential in the bearish market. The extended dip that most cryptocurrencies, including Dogecoin, are still reeling from was a golden opportunity to get a good buy in the dip. It's a wise move to buy at a cheaper price, which then becomes a great profit when the bullish run resumes. Just last month, we've seen the entire crypto market take on a dipping pattern, with crypto giant Bitcoin leading the charge. The focus was to observe a crypto that would generally deviate from the price action. One of the cryptos that was brought into focus was Dogecoin. So why was Dogecoin part of the chosen ones? At first, Dogecoin did not join the correction when it first started. It held strong in the green for at least 36 hours before it also slipped dramatically. A scathing sequence of sell-offs sold out the coin and brought down its price to nearly 20 cents. Though it seemed like it was worse off, it's still touted as one of the few cryptocurrencies that's still capable of showing some impressive pumps. And truly, we've seen it attempt to consolidate its price action moves in bright flashes any time. The correction so far has been bold and crippling to the entire crypto market. Dogecoin first struggled to consolidate before selling between 30 and 35 cents on the daily charts. It has fallen some ways from that mark since then. Technical analysis and prediction by analysts first predicted a dip below 25 cents, which later happened as selling pressure built up. The dip was getting incredibly close to the entry point of most people, and thus they chose to cut their losses. Critics piped out that it would fall back to 12 cents as it gets its legs taken from under it by the same forces that have been promoting it, that is, investors. But it has altogether avoided a much worse prediction in the ongoing downtrend, as its slip was expected to be much worse. The level of expectations for Doge investors is high, and none of the skepticism that's limited its buying pressure seems to be a problem anymore. Maybe people were looking for the coin to get out of the bearish market before committing to it despite the apparent opportunity. However, hodlers proved to be the crucial factor in keeping the price of the coin performing on the day-to-day chart in their absence. It appears the Doge community is not letting any sentiment get to them. The 3 price predictions and destinations for Dogecoin have been suggested to be around $1, $5, and $19, but it sure is going to be one step in front of the other. The first sign has been confirmed to be that of Dogecoin, which has been building momentum within the confines of a channel likely to confirm a bearish outlook. Prior to this, an extensive sideways price action has been the highlight of Dogecoin's movement. The last known notable price spike for Dogecoin was an 8% gain that has since been lost. Its price has managed to dip beneath 20 cents to around 19 cents in what's been said to be a vantage point for a bounce to the upside. This could signal true consolidation as selling pressure diminishes, giving bulls an opportunity to take control. A significant breakout in the direction of the previous trend is anticipated as the bull market matures. On its route to $1, it's expected to first break out towards 33 cents. If the price action is sustained, we could aim for a move to 52 cents from that level. At that point, the battle is to break and settle above the set resistance at the monthly resistance set at 42 cents. However, pushing for a breakout above will result in massive gains and a return above the stubborn resistance at 65 cents and towards 71 cents. What is paramount now is a trust in the potential of the coin to go bullish soon. Investors must see that they need to buy into the coin before the coin goes bullish. When the bullish run starts, we could probably see its price return to the mid-50s and surge above it as it aims to return to above 71 cents, as stated earlier. At that level, we can anticipate the price going close or actually crossing the fence at the $1 level in one swift move. This will raise it above XRP and put it in the same league as Cardano. If it manages to surpass either of them, we could ultimately see the coin return to the top 4 cryptocurrencies in the world. According to this chart, the price of Dogecoin is still within the correction zone and the gap among the supports seems to be widening. The price has broken through the support above which it held when the price was at 19 cents. It's now trading at 17 cents. It's unclear how far it would go or aim for a possible return to a level above the red resistance line that's now between 19 and 18 cents. However, a lower support has been established, not necessarily as a defined destination, but to allow room for speculation in the event of a further dip. The lower support is set at 16 cents. The support is expected to hold strong as the price holds steadfast long enough for buying pressure to pile up and inspire the coin to healthy levels. Here, the chart analyst suggests that Doge is retesting the 200-day moving average at around 17 cents. The last time the price almost touched this level was on June 22nd. If history would repeat itself, there could be a potential bounce-up reaction, but he thinks that it all depends on if Bitcoin can hold the $31,000 area of support in the coming days. He strongly recommends that investors buy the price at the support level, especially if there's a sign of a strength or a reversal of the downtrend. This underlines the price action that precedes the coin's ascent to $1. Bright days are coming, even in the current market situation. A move to $5 has also been speculated. The price has been predicted as attainable in 2022 if Dogecoin can close 2021 between $1 to $2. If the $5 price destination is achieved early enough, well, who knows, $19 might be possible as well. Thanks for watching today's video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on post notifications. Remember to join our free Discord group via the link in the description, and if you have any questions or comments, let us know. As always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.
Hollywood perfect. That's how it goes. Hollywood perfect. Hollywood perfect. That's how it goes. Hollywood perfect. Ain't got no place to call my own. Feels like